Another interesting element from Indian cuisine with their fruits and vegetables is something called curry leaves. I plucked a few of these curry leaves out of the package. They're still frozen, but you just eat them along with the meal and it adds a little bit of flavor and I'm sure some sort of nutrition as well. It's not the same thing as curry powder. I got some curry powder right here, which is basically just a mix of spices including cumin, turmeric, black pepper, and a bunch of other stuff. So what is curry leaves? It's a good question. So let's take a look at Wikipedia, the page on the curry tree, which is where the curry leaves come from. And what we find is that it's used in many dishes in India and Sri Lanka. And the leaves are generally called curry leaves, but also known as sweet neem leaves. And it comes from the Rutaceae family. Rutaceae? I don't know if I'm saying that right. But that's from the same family that includes citrus and satinwood. So it's like a different type of herb. That's what we're talking about here, a different family of herbs that you're not going to typically see in an American herb garden. So curry leaves are also used as an herb in Ayurvedic medicine. They are believed to possess anti-diabetic properties. And if you bring this up, there's actually a couple studies published on this. One of them, this is Times of India. And then the last one, it looks like, actually has a DOI. So that's peer-reviewed. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if some of these traditional remedies do have some blood sugar mediating or anti-diabetic properties. I can't attest to that personally, but maybe it's worth considering adding, just a different herb variety into your cooking to get some different micronutrients. And lastly, there's a little bit on the chemical constituents, one called geranimbine, or jimbine as we'll call it. It's a carbazole alkaloid, and this little constituent of the curry leaf is believed to inhibit the growth of and kill cancer cells in humans, or in vitro, I should say. And there's a study that cites that. Again, that one's peer-reviewed. I can't say for sure if it's going to fight cancer, but I can tell you that plants make antioxidants, and they make the chemical micronutrients that do fight cancer. And so you want to get different plants from different families of plants and different herbs, different things on your plate to eat it and get that variety of micronutrients in your body. So these are the curry leaves cooked, and it adds some flavor. It kind of is like a bay leaf that you can eat. You know how you can't eat bay leaves? They just don't really cook into something that's edible. These actually, you can actually chew them and eat them. And they add almost like a menthol flavor, like a mentholated, subtle herb. It's like a subtle herb flavor. I don't know how to describe that, man. It's really mild. It's really dark. It's kind of thick. A little bit tough to chew, but not at all like a bay leaf, man. It'd be like, delicious. That's all I can say. It's something different, something interesting. Get some different micronutrients in your body. Eat a big plate of vegetables, man.